guys, how are you? Oh, sorry, let's do that again. Hey guys, I hope that you're enjoying this quarantine. I hope that you're, practicing social distancing, washing those hands. Let's just make sure that, we're following these rules, these guidelines, so that the quicker we follow in social distancing, the quicker we can get out. Actually, this goes in with exponential growth, that lesson that we did. So with that being said, this YouTube channel is basically to be interactive, like an interactive class. I'm gonna be going over lessons, doing some fun things with you guys. Give me that feedback, give me those comments, say, hey, Miss Bowman, I need a better understanding on this, that, the third, and this will also help some of your grades. I'll be also throwing out assignments out there. It won't be a lot, trust me. Just so for those grade recoveries, for those of you who want to get your grade up, who want to get a better grade, whatever the case may be, this is your opportunity. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, so let's take advantage of it. Let's be excited about learning. Let's keep that motivation. Let's keep that energy. And look, this way you're doing it at home, so you're doing it on your own time. You guys love watching YouTube videos, so hey, why not watch some YouTube videos of your teacher teaching you math? Okay, so I'll be having some videos out there, probably, well, my first 2 lessons on Monday. One lesson will be a review, very basic review for those of you who didn't have me like first semester and who were getting confused on some stuff that we were going over. And then the second lesson will be on what we should be covering once you guys gotten back. So actually, I'm probably going to review what we learned before we left and then move forward from that. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Again, send me those feedbacks, give me that information that you guys want to learn, and let's get these grades up, okay?